In this video, I will show how to represent a property of equilateral triangles. It's better for you to use version 4.9.9 or a more recent one. First, I must choose the level of use of the software. In this menu item, Option, Preferences, Level, Mid-Level. At the topmost left of the figure, you can see this little segment. It's the unity of the figure. First, I create a 3-point. I name B. Then a horizontal line going through B. Then a linked point to this line, named C. Then I use this tool to create an equilateral triangle. I can move the name of the points. Now I will hide the segments. And create two other lines. Now a 3-point named M, a perpendicular line, an intersection point, two other times, I move the names. Now I want to measure the length of 3 segments. With this tool, length measure, in this level the measures are automatically displayed on the figure. Now I will change the line style and the color of the segments with this tool. I can hide the lines. I can destroy these angle marks. Now I want to create a calculation. With this tool, name S, formula, MI, added to MJ, added to MK. Now I want to display this value at the top right corner of the figure. With this tool, free value display, here, I choose the value to be displayed, the number of digits, MI added to MJ added to MK equals background erase. Okay. Now when I move point M, I can see that this sum remains the same, but not when the point is outside the triangle. I can now change the formula of S with this tool, keyboard shortcut F6. I can see that S is not the same when point M remains inside the triangle, but here it remains the same, not here, just in this part. Now I'm going to show you how to create polygons with this tool, this line style. First M, B, C, right click to finish. I choose red color, I click on this icon and I click on the polygon. Next one. And the last one. Right click. Now I want to create a macro that will display the polygons and the surfaces. I click on this menu item, New Macro, Unmasking Objects. Title, indication, for example. Title, indication, for instance. Title, indication. Background erase with this color. And I click on the polygons and the surfaces. You click on the edges of the surfaces. It's finished. I right click. Now I want to create a macro hiding the same objects with this menu item. Now if I click on this icon, macro execution, I click on hide or I click on indication. End of this example.